Hey everyone, this is Joan Pratt with our latest installment of your virtual tours. We are down here in Monument at 15970 Bridle Ridge Drive. And this is a beautiful ranch house priced just under $630,000. And really nice 3-car garage. Very nice landscaping, has those cement edging. Also has a fenced backyard, and it does back to open space. The sellers are the original owners. This is a great spot here right off the living room where you can look out here and enjoy these views. Also another vantage point. A great neighborhood. I've met some of the neighbors at my open house. They were all really nice. This is our dining room. It has this little niche here that has a window in it. Gives some extra light. More importantly, some architectural details. Nice leaded glass, beautiful door, mission style. This is our main floor study here. Our homeowners just moved out a couple days ago. And you can see that view from the office, not bad. These are really nice shades. They are the stringless, although there are strings in them. You just pull them up and pull them down to reposition. And they are top down, bottom up. We've got a coat closet here. Right off the front door. And a nice little half bath. This beautiful room with these gorgeous ceilings and ceiling fan, 3-sided fireplace, our niches that are lighted. You can see the staircase here. Truly a great room. There are remote control blinds on the top. And down here are those same ones that we actually, no, these ones have a string. But this house backs to that. So I am told that there are families of deer that come back year after year. Lots of little spotted fawns, hawks, bobcats, lots and lots of nature and wildlife. And it all comes right here to your door with super easy access to Highway 25. It's hard to see right now, but the deck is basically no maintenance. It is a newer deck. I think it's just a couple of years old. And it has some really pretty two-tone composite and no maintenance railings as well. This neighborhood is really unique because there is no HOA. And the houses here are lovely and well kept, so they must have some good people here. I haven't seen a single car on cinder blocks or any kind of craziness. Just a nice, clean area. This here is the eating area and the kitchen. Nice, big area outside here for a table and chairs. Plenty of space. Look up at those soffits. This kitchen has plenty of room for easily 1, 2, 3 bar stools. Nice cabinets. I believe They look like a maple with maybe a licorice glaze on them. Let's open them up. Got pullouts in here. Soap dispenser. Stainless steel dishwasher. Got your trash there. Nice self-cleaning oven, and it also has the vent. We got the matching microwave. These are Corian countertops. The matching refrigerator too. Nice spot for all your baking pans. These homeowners are really just so meticulous. Extra storage. It's kind of like a china cabinet here on top with some pretty storage and some additional. There is no official pantry in this house, so these cabinets down below help offset that pantry. And then the owners have actually added these as well. There is some attic access here in this laundry room, mud room really. That is the garage door. You can see where the washer and dryer went. And then nice folding area and some space here for extra storage. The garage does not disappoint. It's even trimmed out. It is finished, it is painted, has pretty good tall ceilings. And I think this is important since it is a ranch. There's literally 1-2 steps up. So if you have any folks that might have difficulty getting upstairs, it should be relatively easier. It does have sprinklers inside, or in the front and in the back. And we'll go ahead and walk over here to this garage access door for your furry kids. Check out these beautiful pavers. This is the front, and we saw that a minute ago. Here's the air conditioning and the little storage unit that is included. You can get a look at that roof. We have got a 5-year roof certification on it. There's a radon mitigation system here, and grass, which is nice too. Let's go ahead and run inside. We'll see that backyard again in just a minute. There's also a hatch here in the attic, and it does have 3 garage door openers. 1, 2, 3. The master bedroom is down this way. And it does have its own access to that beautiful deck as well. The ceiling has sort of a recessed ceiling. And this here would be the view from your bed. And if you had a chair here for coffee in the morning, this here would be that view. You can also get a good view of the downstairs yard. Again, it's fully fenced. Let's go take a look. Our master bath. So we have a 5-piece bath. mention here. Yes, ladies, Mrs. Clean does live here. You'll notice this house is spick and span. This is just the way it always is. Lots of storage in this closet. Well, there you go. That's our main floor. Well, here we are in our beautiful basement. You can see that there are surround sound speaker built-ins. Beautiful fireplace. All your components go here. There's also more built-in speakers there. Let's walk around this way. Linen closet. There are 3 bedrooms down on this floor. This is our first one. Very nice sized closet. This is a really nice setup too. This Jack and Jill has the 2 sinks separate from the toilet and the shower. There's also a little extra wall heater down here. I am not sure that this tub and shower has ever been used. Got a closet here. Oops. We are in bedroom number 3 downstairs. Here is its closet. Good size storage. Has a glass door to it. They were using this as a gym. We have a guest bathroom here. Actually it's pretty big, linen closet space. And then in here, this is a really nice storage area. We have an extra egress window, so if you did need to make a 5th bedroom, you could. We've got some cracks in the concrete, but that's pretty standard in Colorado. It's not if the concrete's gonna crack, it's when. Got this nice furnace that has been recently serviced with a humidifier. We also have 2 water heaters here. All the extra paint and carpet that applies to the house as well. just got one more area to take a peek at, and that is our outdoor rear living space. So we have this dry below decking gutter system, and basically what it does is it allows you to be underneath here and, well, dry below. It might not actually be a Dry Below brand. Dry Below is a brand name, kind of like Kleenex, but it does demonstrate pretty well what you can do with that. This would be a nice place for a hot tub here. You can tell there's snow on the ground and snow on the deck, and we are under here completely dry. So let's see if we can't walk around this side of the house and give you another view of it from here. There you go. This concludes our tour. If you think you might like to take an in-person look once the showings are allowed to resume again, we would love to help you out with that. Certainly if you have any questions, we do have 12 months of utilities. We do that on all of our listings. And as I mentioned, no HOA here, low taxes, and a beautiful walkout ranch. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.